BrahMos Supersonic Cruise Missile at Akash Air Defense System. Iyan ang prioridad ni Pangulong Marcos na mapirmahan sa kanyang pagpunta sa New Delhi, India. Grabe nga si Pangulong Marcos dito, talagang mga big time ang nagpapatawag sa kanya. Una, si US President Donald Trump. Ngayon naman si Indian Prime Minister Modi. Tila trinatraidor na nga ng India ang China dahil alam nyo na, sakit at uhaw sa kapangyarihan si Xi Jinping. Tutol dyan si Prime Minister Modi. Ngayon nga nasa West Philippines na ang India para sa Joint Naval Patrol. Tignan nyo ang naging asal ng Chinese Navy. Nandoon sa malayo. Nanunood lang at walang balak dumikit. Ganyan nga pag-uugali ng mga Chinese pag hindi nila kaya ang nagbabantay dyan sa ating karagatan. Malalayo sila. Hanggang ngayon nga nasa West Philippines pa din ang mga warship ng Indian Navy. Pangalawang araw na nga ito at hanggang ngayon hindi pa din nanggugulo ang Chinese Coast Guard o Chinese PLA Navy.
Simula yung joint sale natin with the Indian Navy kahapon, August 3, and then hanggang ngayon, August 4. And so far, maganda yung results. We have met our objectives for the exercise. At first time in the history na nagkaroon tayo ng joint sale with Indian Navy. So we are hoping na magtuloy-tuloy ito so that mas marami pa tayong gagawin mga exercises and activities with the Indian Armed Forces.
So during the sale, during the exercise, may mga na-experience po bang mga any untoward incidents from the other side?
Wala tayong na-experience ng mga untoward incidents, but may mga nagsha-shadow pa rin sa atin. We expected that already. But the good thing is that nung March kasi, nung na-meet ko yung counterpart ko sa India, hiningi ko na sumama sila dito sa Pilipinas, sumama sila sa joint sale natin, and after 4 months, ito na nga yung resulta. So we are very happy because of the quick response of the Indian Armed Forces, and so we are very hopeful na mas marami pa itong gagawin natin na joint activity.
Bukod nga sa Defense Cooperation Agreement ng India at Pilipinas, pinapatawag din si PBBM ng pinakamayayamang businessman doon. Prioridad din ng Pilipinas makakuha ng bilyong-bilyong investment sa India bukod sa defense cooperation.
I traveled to India knowing that our commonalities will lead us to a deeper, broader, more meaningful bilateral cooperation, both in the immediate future and up to our longer-term horizons, that will ultimately serve the peace, the stability, and prosperity for our two nations and the wider Indo-Pacific region. I have with me several cabinet secretaries who will make certain that the vision of a close strategic relationship with India will turn into a reality as soon as possible as we make our commitments at the highest levels of government and of business. I will personally lead a business delegation to New Delhi and Bengaluru to meet with the captains of their industries, especially in the IT sector, to explore potential investment opportunities for both sides. I want this visit to bring concrete benefits to the people, such as more affordable medicine and greater connectivity and food security. It is incumbent upon us now more than ever to maximize the opportunities in trade and investment with the world's fourth largest economy. I look forward to a productive visit and much closer Philippines-India relations.
Problemado na naman ang China nito. Nadagdagan na naman kasi ang nagbabantay dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Napapaisip siguro ang China, papaano kaya natin sasakupin ang West Philippine Sea at makukuha ang oil at gas ng Pilipinas? Kayo, anong masasabi niyo sa operasyong ito? I-komento sa baba ang saloobin.